It's time for Q&A with the Credit Game.
A payday loan is a personal loan, but it is for short term and comes with very high interest rates and fees. Some companies will promote these loans as a good way to rebuild your credit because it shows that you can be responsible with payments and pay it off quickly. Let's review if a payday loan will rebuild your credit fast and compare it with other credit rebuilding options in Canada. There are four main categories I look at before recommending any credit rebuilding credit cards, loans, or lines of credit. How expensive it is, does it report to both Equifax and TransUnion, value to the score, or how much it affects the score, and value to the underwriter. An underwriter works at the bank and reviews your credit application before you get approved. One of the biggest downsides to this product is how expensive it is. Don't get fooled by just looking at the rate. Every payday loan I have seen comes with high fees. Even if the dollar amount doesn't seem high, the costs are still there. Before you sign any contract, look for the cost of borrowing section. The cost of borrowing section is where lenders are forced to outline the total cost of financing. They also must provide you with the APR, or the annual interest rate that it would be if you kept that type of financing for the full year. I've seen some very high APRs because it includes these crazy high fees. Payday loans are some of the most expensive types of financing available in Canada. I don't know of any payday loan that reports to both Equifax and TransUnion. National Money Mart reports on TransUnion, but most don't report at all. Even though a payday loan probably doesn't show up, the inquiries might. Every inquiry lowers your score. And because payday loans are generally for short-term financing, if you are regularly applying for payday loans, having all these companies check your credit will lower your score and make you look desperate. Underwriters do see loans as credible accounts when trying to rebuild your credit. However, they get very nervous when they see inquiries or a loan from a payday loan company. I've had underwriters decline Canadians for mortgage financing just because the client had a payday loan inquiry on their credit report. Canadians that use payday loans are seen as high risk and not able to manage their own financing. So why would a lender want to give you additional financing if you can't even handle what you currently have? Lenders won't offer you best rates and terms or even lend to you if they see you as risky. There's a video of 5 additional reasons why you might not want to apply for a loan. I cannot say enough bad things about trying to use a payday loan to rebuild your credit in Canada. If you're looking for fast ways to rebuild your credit or improve your score, there are much better credit rebuilding options. I have all those in the show notes or the show more info section, and you can see the individual reviews of each credit rebuilding option so you can find out the fastest way to rebuild your credit.